Meaning of DNA.
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 DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is a molecule that contains the genetic instructions used in the development and functioning of all known living organisms and many viruses. DNA is made up of 4 basic building blocks, or nucleotides, that are arranged in a specific sequence to form the genetic code. This code determines an organism's physical traits and functions. DNA also plays a crucial role in cell reproduction and the transmission of genetic information from parents to offspring.